Sometimes I'm asked to make something very specific, for example when the singer I work with really likes the vibe of that one song. 'Cause we got so lucky. And today I'm asked to make something similar like History by Corry and Becky Hill. We're going to copy the melodic vibe, sounds, arrangement and quality. But the outcome has to be a new song, so how do you copy without stealing? While playing the original track, I make a new top melody. And when that works well, I arrange new chord that kind of gives the same vibe. So here we have some nice chords, perfect for this style. Let's find some tropical sounds. Nice. And I'm dubbing that with a guitar so it becomes more organic. The verse in History is a little more toned down, like not that many high frequencies, so let's filter it down. And the kick as well. Pretty similar. Filtered piano to give the bass some more character. Flute as a classic tropical fill. Percussions, and this pad adds more texture, so now it kind of floats nicely, right? So add some sounds on top of the bass line. Hey, this is cool. Okay, now I'm just adding classic me instruments, but the point is to make it your own, right? Now this takes too much attention, so if we push it back, it's gonna sound like... Let's do the build-up, riser, drum roll. I automate this reverb to increase the tension over time, and I get rid of some harsh frequencies here. I was thinking this pre-chorus could make a nice post-chorus as well, so let's take some time to make a cool bass sound for that part. And for the main drop, like the reference, let's do a classic future house piano. So I take this chord progression I made in the beginning and chopping it until the groove is right. To make a more unique sound, layer the piano with some synths. And I want this layer to kind of warp, so I automate the attack so it becomes more interesting like that. Maybe work a bit on the ending. And emphasize the transitions with some reversed sounds. Hope this video inspired you to make some music today. Be sure to check out some of my music and subscribe for more of these videos.